Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Ink and Page, and I'm here today with April's Archive 365 base kit. So this is all the stuff that you need to make your cards to get started. And then throughout the next couple weeks, I'll drop you guys, some extra printables with quotes and stuff like that, just to kind of kind of refresh your inspiration and also, just give you more options for your cards. Okay, so, the other thing I wanted to mention is that the box is not in this kit, but I will give that to you separately. So I will do that in the next couple of days. Engineering the box is always a little bit touchy, so I wanted to make sure that I was happy with it before I gave it to you. So, but I didn't want to hold this kit back anymore, because of the box. So anyway, let's talk about this kit right now. Okay, so this is the new kit, and you can sort of see what the color scheme is going to be. You're going to see like it a little bit more in a second. So this page here is some tinier like tickets and stuff like that, and some bigger labels, and then all your dates and stuff are on here. Okay, now we're going to move into the cards. So for this, like, I really wanted to go with a cheerful, kind of happy color scheme for this month, but still make it, a little bit vintage, a little bit me. So this is kind of what I ended up with. This is very floral, but it's also, there's lots of books and libraries and things like that in here. This is going to tie into the kit that I'm releasing later this month, which is called Secret Library. So this is kind of your little bit of a sneak peek. It's not a total sneak peek because every project has its own kind of thing and aesthetic and all of that, but these are definitely the colors that you'll be seeing, and you'll be seeing lots of kind of literary, manuscripty, and a little bit magical kind of stuff for the coming month. Okay, so like I said here, you with books and flowers, and I wanted to incorporate a lot of nature and all of that into this, and I love the idea. I'm obsessed with the idea, actually, of like books, like bookcases in, actually like outside, like literally being able to have that kind of a thing outside. uh, you know it's not super practical because I don't think books would last very long outside, but the whole idea of it is just, I just love the idea of it. And if we make it a magical library, then of course, no problem with the books being outside, right? So lots of stuff like that, lots of books, lots of like foresty things, beautiful flowers, inkwells, things like that in here. So these are some of the illustrations. And then these are the journaling cards. So these would go on the back if you wanted to, or on the front if you want to feature your journaling cards. And then for the fussy cuts, you have bookcases, books, some scrolls, ink, quill, the whole 9 yards there. And then I have a word bank here. I will give you a bigger word bank next week. This is just to get you started. I just wanted to like, get things going for this week only, and then I will give you more words and quotes next week for sure. And if you, okay, this is like the cut apart sheet, which I love this so much. I find these pieces to be so tremendously useful when I'm making my cards. They're always my first pieces to go. I love having all these different things to layer with in different colors, and so I kind of mixed up the color palette on here, and I used a bunch of vintage ephemera, and I incorporated a little bit of the illustrations from the kit as well. All right, and now the papers. So I have this like newsprint damask here. This, I don't know why, but I'm completely in love with this pattern. I would put it on my wall if I could. So I gave you a big one of that. There's a little card that has this pattern on it too that's slightly different, but, kind of the same thing. And then I have this kind of splattery, marbly, conglomeration here. And then a stripe. Oh, and then I apparently I mixed this one in with this, so whoopsie daisy. But this is the pockets and the washi strips. So I'll just give you a base set to start with, and then probably we'll do maybe some more interesting pockets on the next couple, either the next batch or the batch after that. And then I have this lovely little, it's kind of like a lacy background with a watercolory background with floral and script. And then a leafy situation here. I'm in love with these colors. I hope you guys are too. They're making me so happy. So, you know, I love the colors from last month too. And that color palette is a hard one to beat. I will say that. But I wanted to bring something a little bit fresher and a little bit more springy, even more springy than last month's palette into April. Right, and then we have this like wooden background here with the flourishes on it. And then of course I had to include a bookshelf background. So that is the base kit for this month. I hope you guys like it. If there's anything you would like to see in the next couple of days, or because I'm obviously going to do the box. So if there's anything that I missed or any special requests that you have, go ahead and put them in the comments, and I will take those under advisement. Usually most of your requests are not that crazy, so they're pretty easy to do. So if you have them, let me know, and otherwise I will see you guys in a couple of days for my first set of cards for April.